What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Tay. Hey y'all, back with another video. Today's video gonna be me cooking today because I know you guys love my cooking videos. I see that you guys been showing a lot of love on our page and everything, and I thank God for that. So thank you guys for keep subscribing to our channel. We've been getting a lot of subscribers, we've been getting a lot of likes, and we've been getting a lot of views. So thank you guys. Thank you guys for that, guys. I gotta get on here and say give you my thanks because I'm very happy that you guys are showing us love. But today's video is gonna be a cooking video. The video that you guys all love. Cause I get a lot of views on my cooking video. And one of my recent cooking video I got like 5 or 6 views. I'm about to say 5 or 6,000. 5 or 6 views on there. Like I'm talking about 500, 600 views. That's not 5 views and 6 views. No, 500 views or 600 views. And I said, wow. And that was my recent cooking video. So today is going to be a cooking video. So yeah, guys. Today I'm making mac and cheese. And normally, guys, I do the frozen vegetables, but I ran out of frozen vegetables. And I couldn't get to the store to get none. Wasn't able to do that. So, and I normally don't do this. But I'm making canned vegetables today, guys. Don't judge me. Please don't judge me. I'm making canned vegetables. I know it's not good to eat out the can, but I normally do frozen. Like I showed you on my last cooking video, I had the frozen broccoli. Yeah, well, they didn't, like I said, I wasn't able to get to the store, so I do have some canned vegetables, so I am going to use this today. So don't judge me, guys. Okay? Thank you. So I have 2 of those, so I'm going to make that, and then I'm making this. Big bag of chicken. Yep. So I'm getting ready to get this started, matter of fact, to put this in the sink, because I got to wash the chicken off, y'all. So, yeah. But how was you guys' weekend? Mine was great. My birthday was yesterday. Thank you guys. If you said happy birthday, thank you. If you viewed it or liked it, thank you so much. And my daughter's birthday was Friday, and if you guys viewed it and liked that one, thank you guys for the birthday love. If you did, thank you guys. We enjoyed our birthday. Like I told you guys, next week, well, actually not next week, this week coming, this Sunday coming, this weekend coming, we are going to New York. So I'm gonna try to vlog in there. I don't know how the connection and they, Wi-Fi or system is out in New York. So I'm going to try to vlog you guys. If not, I'll just make a video, like a regular video, and then I'll post it up. Because I don't know how they stuff is out there. Say hi to YouTube.
Hi, YouTube. I was a mess. Don't.
Yes, guys, we're getting our hair done before we go to New York. We're going to get our braids done over. So our hair going to be freshly done. Everything going to be done. My other daughter, she's getting her hair done Wednesday. I'm going to do her hair Wednesday. And then my son getting his hair cut Friday. And me and Lady getting our hair done before we go to New York. So, yes, guys, we getting ready for that. But I just want to come on in here and do a cooking video and just say thank you guys again for the love, the supporters, the real love, the real supporters, the likes, the views. Continue to subscribe to our channel. Continue to view our page and continue to subscribe to our channel and like our videos, guys. Please, guys. And thank you so much. Yes, guys. And you see how I lost weight? Yep. I still work out. Still do that, guys. I'm still doing my little workout. I actually worked out today, too, as well. So I'm a little tired from the weekend, her going out, having a good time for our birthdays. And then on top of that, I was working out today. I did a workout today. So I said, yeah, I'm a little tired. I am. So I said, let me get on here and talk to my YouTube family, Gotta get on here and talk to y'all. I'm about to start cooking. Yeah, or something. Yeah, about to start cooking, guys. Yep, about to start cooking and season my chicken and stuff. So, yeah. Yep, guys, I'm cooking now. Baby Ava in there. I don't know if y'all heard her scream in the background, because you know she's forever screaming. Yeah, I gotta use both of my pans because, you know, it's a lot of chicken. And I'm making enough for today and tomorrow. So that's how I try to cook, you know, enough for today and tomorrow. So yeah. And I'm gonna do my seasoning and stuff and start cooking. But today has been a beautiful, relaxing day for us. We had a great weekend through the grace of God, and I thank God for that. Yeah. Yeah. Yep, guys. I think. Yeah, I'm gonna put 2. Yeah, I'm gonna do it like that. I gotta see how I'm trying to separate this chicken. But yeah, guys, I ain't gonna make this video too long. You know how I get on here, I don't make my videos too long. I know, I'm just trying to separate the chicken right now. That's what I'm doing. I'm putting it in my pan. That's what I'm doing right now, guys. Yep. Got one more piece that gotta go in there. Yep. Yep. So yeah, that go right there. And then I gotta find somewhere for this to go, guys. This chicken. But yeah, so let me get on here and talk to my peoples. Day is upstairs, and the girl's down here with me because Lily's got finished you know, doing her homework and stuff. So yeah, just trying to see how can I put this. Can I do this like this? Because I wanted to cook all the way, and then I don't like my, you know. So I guess this would be cool. I guess, I don't know. Yeah. I'll do it like that. And yeah, I'm putting this in the trash now, guys. You know how I get when I do my cooking videos. You guys seem to love them. Y'all seem to love them. And I know you guys be asking for them, so I said I didn't do one in a little bit. It's been a little while since I did a cooking video. And the last one I did, you guys loved. So I appreciate it. Thank you. But today was a good day for us. Like as always, it's always a good day for us. And yeah, I'm getting ready to start my dinner. Yep. Yep, guys. Yep. Let me get my. I gotta season my chicken. Get my stuff out to season my chicken. These are my seasonings I use for my chicken, and then my favorite seasoning I use, guys, is this. This is so good, guys. It tastes so amazing. It tastes so amazing, guys. Oh my God. Oh, so good. They really do, y'all. Really do. I love it. I put it on my food, and I don't put too much of this on there. Well, you guys can see. I know you guys know what this is. I don't put too much on there. So yeah, just a little bit. And I got my dash, and Mama used my pepper too. My dash and my little pepper. Yeah. But thank you guys for showing us some love. I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you for all the subscribers and the views and all that. We in here cooking and cleaning and did homework and stuff. So, yep. So we in here doing our thing as usual. And also washing stuff as well. You know, I do that every week. Cook, clean, wash, and all that. You know, the whole shebang bang, you know. Yep, put my seasoning on here. And say the best for last. The best for last, guys. It's so good. I don't want to put too much, so I got to be careful how I put, you know, how much I put on here. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. That's it. The best for last. I didn't put too much. I don't think it's not too much on here. I don't put too much seasoning and all that. I don't go overboard. Because I could be heavy-handed, but So, yeah. I'm ready. Turn the oven on, guys. Let it heat. I'm going to get my mac and cheese started. I use this pot for my mac and cheese. Yeah. So yeah, guys, everything been real good, great. Like I said, we enjoyed our birthday. We went and got something to eat and stuff, and then just did, you know, a little shopping here and there like we always do. We always shopping. And then I got to start Christmas shopping too, so yeah, I got to start with that. After we come back from New York, and we're going to come back, put our tree up, and then we're going to do Christmas shopping. So, got to start with that. Get a head start. I like to get a head start. This time of year when kids want everything. Yeah. Then I gotta put my string beans on. I got some corn in there, guys. I got some corn. I got some corn in there, so I'm gonna add the corn to the string beans and stuff. Like I said, don't judge me. You know, I normally do the frozen, but I ran out and I said I got some cans, so I said I'm gonna do the cans. You know, I put a little water in here because I don't want my chicken to be dry. So, yeah. Yep, guys, that's how I cook. My kids be loving it. They be loving it, guys. About to put the stuff in the oven. Yeah, about to put the stuff in the oven. In the oven. Yeah, about to put the stuff in the oven. So, I did put a little, you know, you can see the little water at the bottom. If you can see it, guys, can you see the water at the bottom? Yeah, y'all can see it, yeah. I don't like dry chicken. I don't want to over season it with my good seasoning, see? You can see the little water at the bottom. I don't like it dry. So I'm going to let that cook. And I started, put the water on for my mac. And I'm going to put my other stuff up. Put these up now. So yeah, I have put water in there. Guys, this is good. This little olive, I don't know if you guys ever had it, but it's good. You want some? Come here and say hi to YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Look, say hi.
Hi.
Y'all, it has been, I don't know why it's saying A.E. lock, but it's still recording. I don't know why it's saying that on my phone. But guys, today has been a beautiful and blessed day, as always. But guys, I'm not going to make this video too long. I just want to thank you guys for the love, the support. I don't know why I keep doing it. The love. Oh. It went, I hope y'all can see this. I hope when I post this up, y'all can see it, because like the light went down. And then it said AE lock or something like that. But when I pressed on the screen right here, it went away. So I don't know. But hopefully you guys could see, see it when I post it up. But yeah, I'm tired, guys. You can tell I'm tired. But for my workout and then from the weekend and stuff. So yeah. But like I said, I'm not gonna make the video too long. Thank you guys for the love, the support, and everything. And I hope you guys have a blessed and safe night. Be safe. Be blessed. Please, please, please be safe. Be blessed. And I will see you all on the next video. Love, peace, and happiness. I love you guys. Bye. Bye.